Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is how to become a top content writer in Pakistan. Content has a wide definition. It can be a piece of information that you consume, a video that you see, a topic or subject matter in writing, a flyer, brochure, ad, etc. Good content is purposeful. The success of a writer depends on the engagement and systematic delivery of words or the message, plus the mastery of different writing styles. Researching the topic is paramount for success. Ideation helps you find a subject and a title and an angle to write. It also begins by analyzing your analytics. This brings us to originality. The content must be original. Even if you borrow an idea, you must shuffle it in a way that makes your writing stand out or understandable. Plagiarized content will harm your SEO. I'm assuming that you are a writer who wants to start your blog or write for a client's blog. Content writers learn and know a lot about things. For instance, they can invest their time and resources into learning. I encourage you to master SEO, CSS, HTML, and WordPress. Content writers are social media experts as well. Learning about social media is extremely important. Facebook has its own set of certifications. One of them is Facebook Blueprint. In conclusion, I would like to add that practice will help you become one of the best. For example, if you play an instrument and you stop playing for an entire year, you would forget how to play. Similar is the case with writing. On that note, I'd like to thank you for watching this short video. Take care and have a nice day.